Okay, so the song states that we humans do not notice other things that are harmful to our environment and even to nature that are all man made. Therefore, future generations will no longer experience or even see the beauty of nature. So that's all.
This song really embodies the current situation of our environment. I will highlight the phrase, hindi masama ang umunlad kung hindi rin lang nakakasira ng kapaligiran. We can relate this to the rapid industrial revolution happening since the 18th century till the present that seems to compromise the welfare of our environment. The building of big cities, factories, and the emission of carbon dioxide from different form of transportation, the overpopulation that leads to the rapid deforestation and water contamination and so much more. And I think the best way to do is to preserve and conserve the environment in our own little ways, especially at the comfort of our homes. And that would be all.
Masdan mo ang kapaligiran tells us that in everything that we do, we should always think, care, protect, and conserve the welfare of our nature because at some point, whatever we do towards it, whether be it good or bad, it will come back to us in a twice or triple in an unexpected moment that will affect all of us and will even claim lives.
So my reflection of this song entitled Masdan Mo Ang Kapaligiran, when you thoroughly listen to the lyrics, it addresses environmental issues such as how nature is changing and how humans are polluting it. So the song is about pollution of the air, the disappearance of trees, and the contamination of rivers. And the author attempts to persuade readers or the listeners of this song to think more about their future, the world in which their children will live, and to avoid harming the environment. They believe that progress is a good thing, but not if it goes against nature and depletes the earth's resources. And finally, they sing about how everything came from God and how if we continue to abuse it, we will vanish one day. That's all.
Okay, so what I can commit to Mother Nature is to abide all the environmental rules and laws to help make our planet a better place to live in. And that's all.
I promise to preserve and conserve our Mother Earth.
My commitment to Mother Nature is to use my voice as a future educator to educate the youth and upcoming generations on becoming literate about nature and to continue make life possible here on earth.
I commit to support all life on Earth, to restore our damaged ecosystem, and to combat climate change.
That's all.
This song, ako na? This song really embodies the current situation.